Welcome to Trip and Sip, where travel meets truth. Today, we take you into the soul of South India, a city that's powerful, poetic, and packed with surprises. This is Chennai, and what you're about to hear will change how you see this city forever. Let's explore 10 stunning facts about this vibrant city that most people don't know. Number 1, Chennai was the starting point of British India. In 1639, the British East India Company landed on these shores and built Fort St. George, their very first settlement on Indian land. This wasn't just any trading post, it became the anchor of the British Empire's rise in India. What Delhi and Mumbai became later, Chennai started first. Number 2, it has the oldest city corporation in India. Formed in 1688, the Greater Chennai Corporation is India's oldest active municipal body, even older than many in the West. Long before the word smart city was born, Chennai was already managing civic services, planning, and public health with remarkable foresight. Number 3, Chennai faced an enemy attack in World War I. Most people don't know this, but Chennai is the only Indian city that was attacked during World War I. In 1914, a German warship shelled the city's harbor in a surprise move. This forgotten story proves that even a century ago, Chennai was already on the global map. Number 4, it's the cradle of Carnatic music education. In 1930, the University of Madras became the first in India to introduce a formal bachelor's degree in music. Today, Chennai is the unofficial capital of Carnatic music, hosting the world-famous December music season, where thousands of concerts fill the city with divine sound. Number 5, Chennai houses India's oldest operating railway station. The Royapuram station, opened in 1856, is still running trains today. It predates Mumbai's and Kolkata's major rail hubs. Imagine that. A station built over 160 years ago, still serving passengers and preserving history. Number 6, it's also home to India's second-largest judicial building. The Madras High Court, completed in 1892, is a masterpiece of Indo-Saracenic architecture. It's not just one of the world's biggest court complexes. It even has a lighthouse built into its dome. That's right. For decades, ships approaching Chennai used the High Court itself as a navigation point. Number 7, Chennai leads India's automotive industry. Often called the Detroit of India, Chennai is home to the country's first BMW plant, along with factories for Hyundai, Ford, Nissan, and more. Every second car you see on Indian roads might have rolled out from this city. Number 8, it has the largest port on the Bay of Bengal. The Chennai port, a fully artificial harbor, is the biggest on India's eastern coastline and a lifeline for global trade. Over 20 million tons of cargo pass through here every year. This city isn't just culturally rich, it's economically vital. Number 9, Chennai built India's oldest shopping mall. Spencer Plaza, built in 1863 during British rule, was once the finest department store in Asia. Before Amazon and modern malls, this was where the elite shopped for perfume, clothing, and fine imported goods. And believe it or not, it's still open. Number 10. Chennai mixes extremes like no other city. You'll see priests chanting near tech workers with laptops, classical dancers booking Ubers, filter coffee beside bubble tea, a temple from the 7th century next to a skyscraper. Chennai doesn't try to erase its past to become modern. It carries both with pride. This city embraces contradiction, and that's its real beauty. Bonus fact, Chennai is more than just its city limits. The beaches of Marina and Elliott's, the Art Deco buildings of Georgetown, the IT corridor stretching toward Mahabalipuram. This city is expanding, innovating, and surprising at every corner. Chennai isn't loud, it doesn't shout to get attention. But if you stop and listen, really listen, It has more stories to tell than most cities on Earth. This is Trip and Sip, where travel meets truth. Which one amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden gems from around the world.